Hey, Todd Ault here, burning up social media with more torches of truth that'll set your business mind ablaze. Today's topic is conflict. Most of us have it, probably hate it, but here's the catch, we all need it. I know what you're thinking, just what I needed, more effing conflict in my life. Personally, I'd rather have my prostate examined than wish more conflict on myself. But here's the deal. Conflict is one of the few events that allow us to reflect on the actions we take and the courses we follow. A great leader has the ability to step back and not see conflict as a personal attack, but as an opportunity. Pushback is always an opportunity. Pushback is the testing ground for progress. I believe that conflict is one of our best opportunities to grow beyond ourselves. The very idea of cruising through life conflict-free is completely unrealistic. And each time we're able to master some form of conflict, we gain some of the most precious commodities. Things like wisdom, experience, and confidence. So never be afraid of the conflicts in your life. These are necessary building blocks for success. I've given you gold. Now run with it.